Hey everybody, so my friend Dave just called me a couple days ago because he found out this awesome JSON parser in C. So it's the world's fastest parser that I found so far, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So you need to create a little struct up here, and we're gonna have the key, which is size of 64, and then the value is gonna be 64, and we're just gonna have JSON. And let's do our int main up here. Make sure that you include the string. I forgot to tell you, my bad. Okay, so for in the main, let's say that we have like a JSON object right here, and then we need to create a function up here too. I forgot. Actually, let's go back down here. So let's say that our function is called parse, and we're gonna have I have to escape my quotes, but it's like this. So let's say you have some JSON that looks like this. I think I got that right. And then the function, the second parameter, we're going to be passing the address to object. Okay, so I think I got my escapes right. Okay, so watch. This is where the magic happens. So go up here, and we need to create a parse, and it's going to be a const char JSON, and then the second parameter is the object. And we're going to be using SS. Well, I don't want to say SS. That's from the Escape from So We Were movie. I don't want to say that. So we're going to use scanf. So scanf, and we're going to be passing in the JSON string right here. And this is where the magic happens. So we need to capture the key and the values. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to fucking code this. It's percentage sign, bracket up, then we have to escape the other quote like this, and then that bracket, and then that's going to be the key, and then this one you have to escape. This is going to be the value, and we have to escape that, and then the right bracket right there. Holy heavens. Okay, I don't know if I got that. Okay, so we're going to be using, so this is going to be sent to, that's going to be set for the key, right? It's going to extract the key value to the structs values. And then bada bing, bada boom. So we close that out, close that. Okay, I think I have everything right. So let's come down here. Let's do printf, and let's see what we get. So if we do the value on this, it should show world. So let's save that puppy, come down here, gcc JSON parser.c, and then a.exe. We got it! This is epic. So we can parse any JSON right here, and we just do holy smokes, Batman. Let's see if that works. Let's go. Okay, I wanted to share this. I'll post this in the YouTube description and the comment below. On TikTok it won't work, but hopefully you found this useful. Let me know if you guys use this in production. Have a great day.